Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to save things from Pinterest to your camera roll. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To save the image from Pinterest to your camera roll on your device, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. You have to launch the Pinterest app on your device. Step 2. Browse through Pinterest and find the pin you want to save to your camera roll. Step 3. Tap on the pin to view it in full size. Step 4. Look for the three dots icon, usually located at the top right or bottom right corner of the pin, to access more options. Step 5. In the menu that appears, there should be an option called Download Image or something similar, so you have to tap on it. Step 6. The image will be downloaded and saved directly to your device camera roll or gallery. And please note that specific steps might be varied based on the version of the Pinterest app you are using. Also respect copyright and intellectual property rights when saving and using image from the Pinterest. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.